What's up, Team Boosted? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be putting the 13B into the Super Beetle. We're going to be doing other stuff too. There might be a turbo manifold made for the Datsun, but the main focus today is of course going to be able to get the Rotary into the Beetle, so let's get right into that.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we're preparing the rolly cart. Yo, if you guys don't have one of these,
highly recommend.
this is the best tool you'll ever buy. One of these jack tables, they're like 60 bucks at Harbor Freight. Go get yourself one. It's Harbor Freight, so you can expect to, you should probably buy two, because your first one's gonna break.
Actually, we might not need the cherry picker.
Oh, true. Maybe that's how this works. You never use the cherry picker.
I might be able to just fucking, let me see, there's the
You can, it goes down, the
locks.
the stoppers are. Derp. Yep, you're not gonna need cherry picker. See, this is what we're talking about. How much easier and safer is this?
Safer, debatable.
Easier, hell yeah. Put it back on and then we'll pretend like we didn't do that. I'll let it down.
Well, what I'm gonna do is just record this whole thing and you guys can see how dumb YouTube is. All right, we took it out. We took it out without filming it. And you guys just heard what was going on. We do this shit all the time, so.
We didn't expect it to just literally just pull off. It's hard.
Now it won't pull off. Now that, but yeah, there it goes. Like,
half of what you see on YouTube has been done 3 times over.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I wasn't filming, do it again.
All right, yeah, next step is gonna be the adapter plate. And then we gotta throw my clutch and flywheel that are over on my shelves on here.
It's got the yoke on right now. It's gotta come off, obviously. And then your clutch, is that rated for any amount of power?
It's like a 220, 230 pound-foot rated clutch. It was the best one I could find for the 901.
901's
It's a dinky
it's going to the moon anyway. Rotaries are among the easiest of engines to turn over, but it's got all the spark plugs in it too, right?
Yeah, it's still got all the plugs in it and everything.
So is that a fistful of
Fistful of dollars or something? I don't know. That seems right. Let's see. That feels right.
Is there a bunch of goo on it?
I put some like grease on that last time, so it like
it looks like wood glue. So.
How do we have so much clutch centering tools?
I've had a lot of cars in my past. Is that all lined up? Looks good.
Yeah.
So this throw bearing in here is hydraulic. It's got a connection similar to like, you know, what your clutch or your brakes would have, and when it fills with fluid. So it's out right now, but when you push on it, it just pushes out. Like, you know, pretty self-explanatory. But we need to make sure it fits.
Yeah, let me get it on the precision ground part. There we go. Right. So. Okay, there we go. 1.62. So, what does that mean? This is like a 1/2 inch. That goes in, what, 2.3 inches. And this comes in 1.6. Precision machine work!
That's the break your wrist did.
It's trying.
This is where the hydraulic line's gonna go through. It's just not big enough. But we just gave him this giant fuck.
It fucking has some torque. There we go. There's somebody out there crying because they need a 901 and I'm ruining it. There's that.
You're enhancing it.
Give me the fucking drill bit back.
Don't want it.
Yeah, don't want to. It is though. The car won't give it back.
It's worse, dude. It's like quicksand.
It's breaking the drill. There we go. Fuck you. God.
You're not even all the way through yet, are you?
No, I'm all the way through.
Oh, you are?
There's a rib on the
That's
transmission
why it
right here.
so good.
Oh, there's a rib.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably throw an end mill in this broken drill now.
For many frustrating hours, the hydraulic clutch seems to be
close enough to inspect to not matter anymore.
I've been struggling with this literally all morning, but Sam says it's about to come off. Ooh, that sounded good. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Yeah, that's why release agent is very important. But
I put a lot of it on there. And clearly not enough.
There's a carbon fiber deck lid though, boys.
There's a couple imperfections in it now, but
nothing that can't be sanded and clear coated.
Make carbon fiber parts of shit that's this complicated. Make a 2-part mold. PSA, kids. Don't be like
the
us.
inside looks really good.
Yeah. That's what looks like trash.
Yeah, this engine's gonna need to get lifted up like slightly, like
more,
like that. In order for us to get it to go in, we're gonna need to do. I mean, one of us can just pull it up by the back of the fuel rail or something. Yeah. If we get 1 or 2 of these to go in, we should have a pretty easy time. Okay.
Oh, there you go. Now you just,
it's gotta go down a little.
Let it.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. She's in there. All right, we just gotta find some, at least 1 or 2 nuts for this.
Rotaries look like little bombs.
I mean, that's basically what it is. It's gonna fucking explode.
Rotary Beetle.
Rattle bottle.
Rattle bottle.
Rattle bottle's here. Yeah, that can go now.
Whoa, motherfuckers. Look at that, that's a Beetle with a rotary in it. If you've never seen one before.
It's a Beetle with a lot of engine in it. Yeah, that isn't gonna clear my valence for shit.
Ooh.
It looks like it's basically put itself in the perfect spot where I'm gonna have to trim both my engine lid that I just made to clear it and the valence to clear it.
You could just have this exposed.
So it'll just say drive fast, eat ass behind me at all times.
Just cut out a sweet hole right there.
That's not the worst thing ever. Yeah, just make a perfect like 2 half circles, and then like this is all you see from the outside, and it'd be spinning and shit. That'd be kind of cool.
And when the engine's off, you can read it, but
yeah.
I mean, it's not offending anybody when I'm driving at that point.
Yeah.
Which is a shame.
Only has to be faster than Neil's Honda that we turbocharged in a day.
Exactly.
Which is actually pretty quick.
Yeah, Neil's shitbox is actually not slow, so I might have to sacrifice my transmission for winning.
Yeah, I can't believe how absolutely stupid this wing is.
The whole carbon fiber engine lid probably weighs like maybe 5 pounds though. It's so fucking light.
And you made it yourself, dude.
Made it myself, and it doesn't look that bad.
It's gonna look better than this, guys, because what you do now when you do overlay carbon, because what we're doing with the Porsche is like vacuum bagging. That's way different with a mold. He just laid this over the original wing, and that's just how it is. But you can sand this and then clear coat it, and it's gonna come out really good. You can see that the weave is pretty much good. It's just kind of like sticky right now, but you just sand it all flat and then you clear coat it.
Plus, I'm planning on adding probably 1 more beautification layer to the whole thing. Now that I have it off of the old deck lid, it should be easier.
But you're not hitting your drive fast, eat ass pulley.
Honestly,
No.
if you didn't do a layover method for this carbon, you probably would be hitting it. It's really close, but
Yeah,
Yeah,
the fact that
you've
it
added some
inflated-
clearance.
The fact that it grew like the thickness of the carbon in terms of millimeters
Yeah.
is probably actually helping this thing.
Now the first task is complete. Sam's just doing some welding on turbo manifold for the Datsun. Just trying to correct me. I was over here practicing and messed it up a little bit. But basically, you just buy a bunch of these, you know, for whatever your application is. These little pieces of pipe. These are Schedule 10 tubing. Now they use this stuff in plumbing, but it works really good for turbo manifolds. It's really thick walled, so if you're hanging a turbo off of this, it's less likely to crack, unlike the tubular China one that we had. And China. The Chinesium is not good. And then you got these straight sections of Schedule 10. Schedule just means the thickness of it, so you know, you go up to Schedule 40 like on James's Rotary, it gets pretty intense, but we don't need that for this. So you'll notice that there's foil and this tube running in here, basically back purging it, and all that means is that we're filling the entire piece with the argon, and that prevents the inside from being contaminated.
It also means you can watch the pressure in the tank go down.
Yeah, you can also just use all of your expensive argon real quick. So there's 2 more left. It's getting late now though, so we're gonna end it with this video right here. Got the carbon fiber bullshit on the Super Beetle. That's on, the engine's in there as you guys know, and we got some progress made on the headers. Pretty much everything we said was gonna happen today happened today for the first time in a long time.
The week we decide to schedule things, we actually do them.
All right, so we're gonna pick winners and stuff now. So if you guys don't know, we give away products from boostedshades.com every single video. Check out boostedshades.com anyway. That's the best way to support us. Devin's picking a winner right now. Winners are chosen at random from the comment section. So if you want to win, you gotta leave a comment. You also have to be subscribed.
All right, this video's winner is Charles Rose.
Hit us up at Teamboosted at boostedshades.com or through any of our social media pages. You guys are eligible, or we'll ship you your stuff. You know what I meant to say. I've said this shit so many times. So sometimes we ask you guys stuff at the end of the video to make it easier for the comment. This video's comment, you saw a new shop dog in today's video. That's Mickey. You guys seen Rosie, Devin and our dog. And so I guess this video's question is...
Which dog is best dog?
Yeah, which dog is best dog? Team Rosie, Team Mickey, leave that in the comments, and you guys are eligible to win this video's giveaway.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.